Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tricelle. I'm an adult doll collector and I love all things 1/6 scale. Today we're looking at this Barbie Dreamtopia playset that I got from Big Lots for $6. So I'm going to get it opened up so we can explore all the beach theme items today. So let's just get this out of the packaging. I do like the backdrop and unfortunately it does have holes in it. I wish it was a way I could save this backdrop because it's so pretty. So I know I've been gone for a little while. It was my birthday. I went out of town and saw some family, saw my grandchildren. I have a set of twins and we share the same birthday. So yeah. All right. So we have this dolphin right here and it is built for underwater play. So this is super cute. We have a life vest, still has plastic on it. Oh, and I done had this so long, it's like gooky. I'm gonna have to go wash that off. Yeah, give me a minute. Let me see if there's anything else I need to wash off. Yeah, I'll be right back, cause that feels yucky. Like really, really yucky. All right. So it does come with this treasure chest and it's, plastic and pink. It does snap and open up. I think this is super cute. And it has a little, because it has this puppy right here. And then the puppy has a little surfboard. I think this is adorable. And then here is the life vest. And it does come with these slippers right here, which are so cute. And then we also have a baby dolphin, which is adorable. We have a snorkels. There is a visor. Two metallic necklaces, one silver, one gold. And we also have fins for the doll. Let's not forget the jet ski here, or Sea-Doo. So this is super cute. I honestly don't know the difference between the jet ski and the Sea-Doo, but here it is, and it's translucent, and I love the color of it. Here is the doll here. Ooh, right out the bat, her hair is really, really soft, and I love this cute little bathing suit on her. Her hair is so soft and pretty, and she has a cute face. She does have the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. She only can go like really, well anyway, just the basic 5 points, but she is pretty and she actually has a pretty clean screening. She's not overly pixelated, which I really like. She might make a good candidate for a body swapping, but yeah. This is so cute. Like I really am feeling this. Like this is super cute. So I did get this boat for Walmart. It was on sale for $19, but I did utilize a free gift card and basically got this for free, which I'm really excited about. And another thing that I just noticed, that all of the beach themed play sets came with a puppy, which I think is adorable because I just got myself a new puppy. My daughter gave me a new puppy a couple of months ago, so I'm like super excited about that. And I do like the little backdrop in here. I may try to see if it's something I could do to recycle it. I'll let you guys know about that because I got something coming, but this backdrop is super cute. And this was by far the easiest unboxing ever. Yeah, so it's this speedboat here, and it's super cute. So it's pink. It looked like something supposed to go right there, but it has the little steering wheel in there, and the little back part here. With this life jacket here. So we have the same life jacket, but I actually like the one that's opaque better. Yeah, but we get 2 life jackets here. And again, it comes with a puppy. And that is the place for the puppy. That is adorable. That's so cute. And this also comes with 2 little drinks that go right here. So the drinks go here. And here's the little boat set. Let's look at a Barbie doll on the sunset cruising. This is super cool. Alright, so I did get the Rainbow High pool on Amazon. It was on sale for like $29.99, so I added it to my cart, but I waited. The next day, this pool was marked down to like $12, so I hurried up and purchased it before I could even take a picture and show you guys like what it was. The price had already skyrocketed back to its original, which is now $59.99. I'm not sure why this pool was marked down so low, but I jumped all over it. So I'm going to get this pool out of the box and let you see how it works. Give me 1 second. Alright, so here is the pool, and it's super beautiful. It comes with the palm trees. It has a little coconut and palm trees, which I think is adorable. It has the lounge chairs along with this table here with the 2 drinks. We have the umbrella here. It's a fabric umbrella, and it has the Rainbow High on here, and it does bend right here, and it snaps at the podium. And then we have the cute stairs. Here's the button for the color changing lights. And then we have these chairs right here along with 2 more drinks. So there's 4 drinks with umbrellas in total. I think this is absolutely adorable. So let's look at the color changing lights. I'm gonna turn off all my lights so we can see. So here's the color changing element. Oh, that is just so beautiful. Like, I love it. Yeah, so I'm turning the lights back on. And then, yeah, so this is the pool. And again, this only cost me $12. I think I know why. When I opened it up, there was like some residue on the palm trees here. I think it was just really old. It might be one of the originals, and they were just trying to get rid of it, which is why it probably cost so much. But yeah, here is the pool. So here is the Rainbow High Ruby Anderson in her bathing suit. I did pick this up at Macy's on sale for $7.99, and I used my Macy's credit card to get an additional 20% off. So that was a pretty good deal for her. So I'm gonna get her out of the box so we can take a look at her. Out of the packaging, her hair does have some product in it, and she does need a little bit of help. And she does have the basic 5 points of articulation. I do love the inset eyes, and as you can see, the back of the hair looks a mess, but she still looks really pretty. She's still cute, and I love her bathing suit. So she comes with this cute bag, and she also came with some cool sunglasses along with these cute little heels that I'm going to put on in just a second. And here she is lounging by the pool in her whole little outfit, and she looks adorable. And I almost forgot about her shawl here, so here it is on the doll, and I do love the shimmer. Here is this Scaradise Island Monster High Dracolor doll. I found her clearance at Target for 50% off, so I'm going to get her out of the packaging so we can take a closer look. So here she is right out of the packaging, and she's super pretty. And she has this cute little hat on there with these cute little cool little earrings as well. I love her soft ponytail. It's super soft and beautiful. It doesn't have, I feel like it has any product. Now this Draculor is articulated at the neck, also at the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, and the knee. And her foot is on a high incline. And I love her little bathing suit and shawl outfit. Now this curvy Draculor comes with this bat-shaped tote bag that's super cute. She also has her own drink along with some sunblock, which is totally cool. Let's not forget her cool bat-shaped sunglasses. And here she is hanging by the pool, looking cool and beautiful. So I finally got this mermaid from Amazon. She was regular price at $10.99. I'm gonna get her out of the packaging, and we're gonna take a closer look. So she has 4 points of articulation with movement at the neck, the arm and the hip. She does have light pink and hot pink hair, a molded top, along with a bright orange fin, and there's an ombre on her tail, which is really beautiful. I am going to give her a made to move body, but not today. So now I'm going to give my last little final mermaid a balloon bathing suit. You can search this on YouTube and find out how to do it. I didn't do anything special, and quite frankly, I don't think the bathing suit came out that cute, but I'll show you how it looks. Here is the bathing suit. The balloons were a little large, so it's not what I quite expected, but I do appreciate you guys for hanging in there with me. If you like the video, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram. I'm at Mama Doll Boss. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.